Alright, this is a Subaru 2016 Forester. So we will be replacing the gear shifter display on this vehicle. We got the new one right here. The complaint is that the customer can't see the gear shifter right here. Okay. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to remove this silver line right there. We're going to remove both. Okay, and then we'll remove the this black thing on the shifter. Okay, and then we should be able to pull this thing out, the black casing out, and also this shifter right here. Okay, so let's start with this one right here. Alright, so to remove this, we're gonna do it like just like that. Okay, and same thing on the other side. And just like that. Alright, so now that thing is off. Now we are ready to remove this top right here. Okay, so we just need to this silver thing right here, just push that down just like that, down, and then there is a pin from underneath. You see right here is a pin. Okay, so we have to pull that pin out. Alright, so I think I can just use a long nose to pull that pin out, I think. There you go. Here's the pin. Alright, now we are ready to pop this out just like that. Here's that. Pop out. Okay. Alright. Now we are ready to pull this thing out. Okay. Now this should pull up to come out. Okay. Alright, so here just need to pull this thing up. Alright, so we're ready to pop this one out. There. Okay, and then just shank it up just like that. Okay, now that one is out. Alright, now we are ready to pull this thing out. So there is a clips on this side, that side, and also two on the other side. Alright, okay, so let's pop that thing out. It's hard to do this by doing it by one hand, so while filming it. Okay, now it's out. I just need to do the other side. Alright guys, so just need to pull this one out just like that. I'm gonna disconnect the electrical harness right here. Okay, right here. I'm gonna disconnect the electrical harness already. Alright, got it disconnected. Here's the old one, and there is the new one, and all the orientations are alike right there, so we'll just go ahead and put the new one in. Okay, Alright, now that we have the electrical harness connected, now we are ready to push this one down. Alright, there you go. It's down. Alright. So now we're ready to put back the one that goes on the top here. Alright, putting the knob. Okay. Let's do that first. Alright, so we got this. Let's put that one in first. And then the knob. Then we're ready for the retaining clips. This one right here. Okay. Alright, we got the retaining clips in. Right there, now we're ready to push this one up. Just like that. Okay. Alright guys, as you can see, get the lights on the right there, so you'll have to turn the headlights on to have the lights on the gear shifter display. So if I turn off the headlights, then right there you don't see the red lights on. I'm gonna turn the headlights on. There you go, it's on. Turn off the headlights, it's off, and turn on the headlights, it's on. There you go guys, and thank you for watching my video.